Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, we are going to learn about one more component that is most useful also, alert component of Material UI. So for that I have this app component. Within this I am using MUI alert. That MUI alert is a new component just for example of alert component, and we have designed like this. Now we have this output. So after this I will use alert component. For alert component I just take here stack and I say spacing equal to 2, and within this stack I will use, so for that I import the stack also here. Now within a stack I will use here the alert. So I take here alert like this, and now I import it, save this, and we write some data also here. This is simple alert message, save this. Here we have to define alert, save this. Now you see that we have a simple alert. If I am not passing anything here, then I will have this success type of alert. So I define here types of alerts. For that I just take copy of it like this. Now here I define the severity. The severity is, first of all, suppose we have info, then I copy this, I pass more severity. So here I say error means red color, then I say here warning, then I have here success means green color, save this. Now you see that we have 4 types of alert here. First for information, second for error, third for warning, and last one for success. Similarly we may have few more options also, but here we can take the variant of these also. Suppose I want outline type of variant, so I say variant equal to outline, save this. So this outline means we will have a outline like this. Remember, this outline of blue color, by default color is blue. Now we have here info. Info means the by default color we have blue, but we can change color also. If I want to change the color, I can pass here, I say secondary color, save this, and you see that we have secondary type of color. And you see that this is a normal standard alert, but I can make filled alert also. So I can specify here in place of error, I say I have another variant that is filled, save this, and you will see that we will have another option is called filled alert. You see with red color because it's a error one, but I can change this color also. If I want to change the color of by default error, so I can color this to secondary or any other color which you want. So I save this, and you see that we have a secondary color also here. Okay, so we can change by default color of error also if we required, and we have a variant also, simple standard variant, which we have this warning and success, and we have outline variant also, we have filled variant also. So we have these types of variant in alert. Now we can use it for our purpose, like we want to show error if we have some problem, and then we can remove it also, but here we do not have such kind of option. Now we take another example here for this. So I take here first of all one stack, I say spacing equal to 2 like this. Now under this I take button to show and hide this, and this button I have a variant equal to, I say contained, and I say color of this is secondary, and I take on click also. So on click I will have here option, and I say show alert, I save this. So this button I have to import, so I import here button also, save this. You see, now after this button I will also have a alert box that I will show on click on this button, and I will show you more options also, how you can change icon also, or how we can add close icon to the alert. For that what I do, I take collapse also, because with the help of collapse, and here is an in option in collapse, and I say open. Under this collapse I will use this alert. I say alert, and severity of this alert is filled, and I write here this is material UI alert component, like this. Save this, and I have to add these buttons also and function also. So here I pass a function handle click, okay, and this is open also, that I have to take state variable. So here I say one const, that is open, then I say set open, and this use state by default value is false. Then I take constant handle click, and here in click I say set open to true, like that. Okay, now I take like this. I have to import this collapse also, so I take here collapse, and I have to import use state also. So I say use state, save this, done, and you will see that we have to check what is the error. Collapse is there, we have open here, so I need to check what is the problem. So it is saying alert is not defined. Why? Okay, that is the wrong, because severity is not a field. Severity I pass here warning, and variant is filled. Save this, you see. So this button is also here, I have to reduce this size. So I just cut this and paste here on top of this, and I take here one box layout also, and under this box layout I will put all these things, and I will pass margin from the top to 3, and I will pass margin, yeah, okay, save this. Now you see that we have a show alert. If I click on this notification is coming, but I do not have an option to close it, so we put here close. And also I need to change this icon also, this icon, information icon, I want to change. So here I say this warning is success, green one, and I say margin also, if it will work, I say empty equal to 2, save this. Now I need some icon also, so I go to material UI website, and here I say highlight icon, I say close icon. So this highlight icon I will take for close. So I copy this, and I paste this icon here. So one icon I have, second icon I will have that is a tick icon. So that tick icon I can take for success information. So I say this one done all, this icon I take, copy, and I just paste this icon also here. So done all icon. So here in alert I change first of all this icon, this success icon, here I say done all icon. So I say icon equal to, and here I say done all icon, like this, save this, and you will see that we refresh it, and I click on show, and you see icon is changed. So earlier it was like this success icon, now this icon is double tick because I have changed this icon. Now I will add here close also. You can add close on each and every variant of alert, but for adding this close, what I need here action. So I say action property. Under this property I define, I say icon button. Under this icon button I will say highlight, I say this one highlight icon. So I copy this, and here I paste it like this. Now icon button I have to import, so I say here icon button, save this. Now in this icon button I will have, this is the action, and I will have here on click, and on click will use a function handle close like this. Save this, and this function I will add on top of this. So I copy this, I paste it and change name to close, and here I pass here false. Save this, handle close. So that spelling is handle close. Save this. Everything is done now, and I just, you see, I have a here, but this color is black by default, so I have to invert the color also. So I say here color equal to invert. Save this, and you see the color is now of white. I click on this, it will hide this alert. I click on show, then this alert is shown here. I click on this, it hide. Now it display, it hide. So this alert is also working as our requirement. We have one more option of closing this icon. So now we have learned that how we can change the icon and how we can add this close button here. But suppose if I don't want to change this icon, I want to use a default icon. So we have a one more option. So I can remove this or comment it, and in place of this I can use on close function, on close property, and under this on close property I can pass handle close. Remember, this handle close I can pass, and I save this. So if I am not using an action, that means the icon would not change, but the close button will display whenever I will use this close property, and here I pass the handle close, and you see that now this icon is changed and it changed to close icon, and I can click it and it will hide also. You see it behaving like the earlier one. In action we have a right, or we have a freedom to change the icon also, and from this we can do this. If I don't want to change the icon, then I can use simple on close property and pass here handle close function. So after this it will enable this close. You see this enable, this close is not enabled here because we are not using on close, but here I use, so here I used on close, so this close button is disabled. This close button is enabled. When I click on this, then it will hide the close, but for that we have to pass a function. Similarly I have here also, but if here I pass on close, you see if I pass here on close and I do not pass anything here to close it, so you will see that it would not close, but it will show here close, but it would not work because it is not handled by any close operation. But here I click and we have a close, I just click and it hide. So if you want to change icon, you may have action, or you can disable this and you can enable this action. Save this, and you see that when I open this action, the icon would change. I click it and you see icon is changed. Here we have a close by default, here we have a change icon. Click on this and it will close. So we have such kind of options available for alert. We can use it as per the requirement. That's all in this video. I think you understand how to use alert component in Material UI. If you learn something, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this.